friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. I hope you tried the VLookUp function that we spoke about yesterday. That was a very basic example wherein on the same sheet you had your master data and the data where you needed to find extra results. So what I have for you today is a step forward, wherein this is my master data mentioned on the sheet VLookUp. And on the second sheet, which is VLookUp solution, is where I need to get the results. Now, normally we all know how to write VLookUp function, but at times when the data is on two different sheets and we have to move from one sheet to the other, we kind of miss out on few things, and as a result, our entire solution gets lost. So that's why I have this short video for you all. Now, let's start by writing a VLookUp formula. The syntax won't change. The syntax is going to be absolutely same. So it says lookup value. Lookup value is something that I have to find in my main table. Now, I need to find this particular ID. And where is my main table? My main table is on the other sheet. Mind it. Now here, I will go ahead and select the VLookUp sheet where my master table or the main table exists. Once I have made the desired selection, I'll first put in a comma before I move back to this sheet. This is extremely important. If I don't put in a comma, what happens is my sheet name changes and my selection moves from the VLookUp sheet to the VLookUp solution sheet. Let's have a look at this now. So I'm saying we need to select the table array, and our table array is on this VLookUp sheet. Now this is my table. I've selected this table. Now can you guys see over here, it's saying VLookUp, then you have the exclamation mark, and then you have the range coming. This VLookUp exclamation mark is nothing but the name of the sheet. Now if I don't put in a comma and let me go back to the VLookUp solution sheet, you'll see it has moved from VLookUp to VLookUp solution over here, right? And if I just go back here and now put in a comma, and now if I go back here, I'll find, okay, the formula remains as is, or the selection remains as is. Now, the next thing is I need to find my column number. So that's why I remove the name of the sheet from here. My column number, I need to select, or I need to find that from my main sheet. Now, I know this is my first column and I need to find the employee name, which becomes my second column. So let me write in 2 here, and then range lookup. Obviously I am looking for exact match, so I put in a 0 over here and hit enter. So I'm getting the response null and sync. Now we spoke about fixing the rows and columns also, so that the same formula can be dragged down. Now here it's all the more easy because we have to find the solution only for one particular category header, which is employee name. So I can just go ahead and fix my table first thing. Do I really need to fix something here in D5? It's good if I go ahead and fix my D, which is the column D, because my employee IDs both are mentioned in column D. I don't need to fix 5. I need to let that open. Anything else? No. I've fixed everything right. I hit enter, and then I can just double click and I get my response here. We can just go back and check. It's 15831. And 15831 is null, absolutely right. So null is 23919 and 23919. So this is how normally a VLookUp formula works when your data is on two separate sheets. The only thing that we need to ensure is after the selection of the table, we need to put in a comma before we move to the other sheet, right? Do keep this thought in mind and give it a try. Let me know if you are facing any issues. You can use the comment box below and mention your details over there. Also, do subscribe to our channel so that you regularly get updates of all the videos that we are publishing. Have a great evening, guys. Goodbye.